Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and sorry for the hot mess express, which is this right here, but I filmed this video and it was all cute. I had some makeup on and all that, but the video was corrupted, and and I really wanted to film this video for you guys again, so I didn't care how I looked. But it is going to be a packing video on how I pack my Jujubee BRB, which is the Be Right Back. This is in the iconic 2.0 print, which I love this print so much. Yes, this is gonna be a packing video on kind of long days, or this is perfectly packed for when I do drop them off with like my brother and sister-in-law to babysit for the day. My husband always grabs the BRBs instead of any of the other diaper bags that I have, or overnight trips like when we go to California and stuff. This is what I bring. I am a little bit of a minimalist packer, so the BRB has way more than enough room than what I need. I can probably pack this for like an actual vacation, which I will be going to Chicago in July, so definitely will be bringing my BRB. So, and you'll see, like, I have so much more room, and I definitely don't use a lot of the stuff that I pack in here, but like I said, this is just for like long days, which is rare, or it's for sure when someone is babysitting him and we're dropping him off somewhere. So yes, so stay tuned if you want to see how I pack my BRB. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the side bottle pockets. On each side of the D-rings, I do have a sanitizer hung there, and then I have a iconic 2.0 passy pod, and just in this passy pod I have like doggy diaper bags. Well, they're doggy bags for poop, but for diapers. And then on one side of the bottle pocket, I just have his sippy cup. On the other side of my bottle pocket, I keep a 15-ounce Swell bottle. And then before we get into the front here, let's just go ahead and show you what's in the back. So on the back, of course, I have the changing pad that comes with it, but I do also keep my Michael Kors clutch in here. This is what I use for my wallet because I can easily throw my phone in here if I need to, anything, chapstick. And what's nice is that it has the strap, so if I need to go out anywhere, I could just grab this quickly and run out of the car to get anything. In the front pocket here, I have a long strap from the large set piece in here just in case I want to strap it onto anything and carry it as a crossbody. And then I have a business card holder in here with some of my business cards. And this just fits perfectly in that front pocket without making it so bulky. In the mommy pocket, I keep very minimal things in here because the more you pack in the front, the bigger and bulkier it is. So all I have on this side pocket here, we'll start with, is mouthwash and some gum. And in the sunglass pouch here, I have a pen, I have a pair of his sunglasses, and then I just have some tissues. And then in this mesh part, I keep a small set piece connected to the key ring because it's just easy to pull out and grab. This is where I keep some of my mommy things. It's nice because it carries, it's perfect for tampons, Advil. I have an emergency in there, you never know. I have a pair of contacts, a lipstick, a bunch of hair ties, some band-aids, and some eye drops. I love it because this just fits perfectly in that mesh part. And then just beside that, I keep a compact mirror, which also fits in the small set piece, but just so it's easier to grab, it's right there. That's all I keep in the mommy pocket. Now in the tech pocket here, I have my cell phone, which is an iPhone 8. So it fits just perfectly in there. It's so easily accessible, which I love. And then I have two chapsticks. One is for baby and one is for mom and dad. And then in this pocket here up at the very top, I just keep a burp cloth in there for easy access for any spills or anything like that. This is my favorite burp cloth ever. I will link it down below. It's boobies. There's boobies all over it. I mean, who doesn't love some boobies? But yes, I do love this burp cloth, and that is what I keep in here. That's the only thing that I keep in there because I don't want it to be super bulky. Now let's go ahead and move on to the main compartment. I love the BRB for the fact that it just opens straight out like this. I know a lot of people have issues with that, but I don't. I love that. And I mean, you can add gussets if you want, or you can just not zip it all the way down. So let's go ahead and just show you what's in this front mesh pocket here. I keep a bunch of his teething snacks because it's easy to grab from this top here. I have a bib just in case we're out and he's eating and we need to throw a bib on him. And then I have this Milk Snob cover, which is a car seat cover but doubles up as a nursing cover and a shopping cart cover, which is pretty cool. I primarily use it for nursing if I'm out in public. Depends. I haven't used it too much. So I always keep a swaddle scarf or swaddle blanket in here. This is perfect for if I just need something quick for changing in the car, or I need to wipe something. This is just perfect for that. So I keep this one up on top of all of my set pieces. And then for this here, I do keep wipes here. I used to keep the swaddle blanket attached there so I can grab it easily, but it sits perfectly on top. So I do keep his wipes up here. And then now moving on to the set pieces. The large set piece, I just keep my diapering needs. I have 5 size 3 diapers in there. And then I attach a medium set piece strap so I can just grab this if I need just this for the bathroom, and I can grab the wipes and throw in here too. In the medium set piece here, I just keep a change of his clothes. I have 2 onesies in there and I can fit so much more if I wanted to, but that's all I have. And then in my Be Organized, I have the medium Be Organized and the small packed up in this, which is nice because I love that it's super squishable and I can mold it however I want in this bag. But this is where I keep all of his, I have diaper rash cream, I have a boogie wipes in there, I have sunscreen, I have this baby bum wipe for his diaper cream, I have lotion. And then in the small Be Organized set, I have all of his medicine needs. This is just for, emergencies. I have a Tylenol in there. I have gas release drops, a syringe, and a nose spray, a nasal spray. Sorry, my child decided to crash this party. And then in this back mesh pocket, I just have a disposable changing pad, which, we use if there is any crazy poop explosion and I don't want to get my changing pad dirty. This is easy because I can just throw it away. And that is how the main compartment is packed up in my BRB. It's also really nice because I have my diapering needs on one side and then I have, any diaper cream or anything on the other side, so I can just zip one side down and grab my diapers if I needed to. I can also fit another wipe in this pouch, so then if I just need this and not the whole backpack, I can bring out with me, which is perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed my packing video. The BRB is probably by far my favorite jujube bag. It's also my husband's favorite jujube bag. I just love it and I can't wait to get more. I currently have 2, but I definitely plan on getting more of this. So that is how I pack my BRB for kind of your long days or, an overnight trip. This is perfect for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video and stay tuned for more packing videos and diaper bag reviews because I have a shit ton of diapers and I need to review them and show you guys how I pack them up for everything. So stay tuned for that. I will catch you guys all in my next video. Thanks guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later.